How to send current location in WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update WhatsApp to the latest version. Then open up WhatsApp on a device. Now wait for some time. Now simply open up the chat or simply tap on the source icon. Then tap the contact name. Now open up the chat. Now tap on the attach icon. Now tap on the attach icon. Then tap on location. Then tap on settings. Then go to permissions and tap on location. Now select allow, then simply go back. Now tap on send your current location. Now tap on OK. Now enable location services and tap on retry. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.